In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds. So stay with me until the end of the video. First, you need to put the white color on top. Then you should use this scramble, the complete formula of which I put in the description. D, L2, R2, U, L2, U2, R2, U, L2, U prime, B2, U2, F prime, L prime, R2, D, U2, B prime, R prime, D prime, R2, D2. Here you need to find the white center and place it exactly like this. And then start to solve the Rubik's Cube puzzle, but in the F12 way, and do it exactly the way I do it, okay? As you can see, I place the edges one by one with the F12 method. Then you reach the upper yellow stage, which is completely solved by using a special algorithm for that Rubik's. If you don't know this formula, I wrote it for you in the comments and pinned it. You can go see it and use it. Be sure to practice in order to be able to solve the Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos, and if you don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, be sure to watch this playlist. Don't forget to like and comment. Until the next video, goodbye.